This video will show you how to replace the Nano SIM card tray in your ThinkPad. The process in this video will work for the ThinkPad X13 Gen 6. You will need a SIM card tray eject tool and 5 minutes of your time. Caution: to avoid damaging your device with electrostatic discharge, work on a hard flat surface. Use an anti-static wrist strap and mat, or discharge static by touching a grounded piece of metal. First, you must disable your built-in battery before removing any parts. Disconnect your power adapter from the computer. Press the power button. Tap the F1 key repeatedly to enter the setup menu. Select the config menu. Select the power menu option. Select the disable built-in battery menu option. Select yes in the confirmation box. The system will shut down and the battery is disabled. Insert a SIM card tray eject pin into the hole and press until it releases. Remove the tray from the system. Insert the tray into its hole in the system and press until it secures in place. Plug in the power adapter and connect it to your computer to re-enable the built-in battery. To learn more about your device, go to pcsupport.lenovo.com.